Lidia Bastianich is an Emmy Award-winning public television host, a best-selling author with over 15 cookbooks written, and owner of 2 restaurants, which include Becco and Lydia's Kansas City. She also has a line of all-natural sauces called Lydia's. Lidia arrived from a war-torn area in Istria in 1957 with her mother, brother, and father. Lydia's first restaurants, Buonavia and Villa Secondo, opened in Queens in the 1970s. By 1981, she closed them to open her flagship restaurant, award-winning Lidia. Along with Oscar Farinetti and her son Joe Bastianich, the team opened Italy, the largest artisanal food and marketplace. Lidia has had the pleasure to cook for several celebrities and the honor to cook for Pope Benedict XVI and Pope Francis. Lidia is the founder and president of Tavola Productions, an entertainment company that produces Lydia's Kitchen.
Would you come to my house for dinner?
And Lidia Celebrates America. Lidia has shared her love of food and family on public television for more than 25 years and continues to invite you to her table.
What do we say at the end?
Tutti a tavola a mangiare e bere.